6-in-1 multifunction USB-C hub. Extend the USB-AC port to USB 3.0, USB 2.0, SD card reader and micro SD card reader port for all your necessary needs. Hagibis combines the 2.5-inch HDD SSD, hard drive enclosure, and multifunctional USB-C docking station for MacBook, iPad Pro, Mac Mini, laptop, Samsung Note 10s, Huawei P40 Mate 30. Dual intraface cable equipped with USB-A USB-C dual interface date cable. You can switch between USB-A and USB-C, compatible with more devices. Easy to install. Plug-and-play Hagibis USB-AC to 2.5-inch SATA hard drive case is very simple to install. Just slide the back metal shell to open the lid, then plug your HDD SSD into the 2.5-inch SATA interface, and then close the lid. Plug play for Windows 10 8.7 XP Vista, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS,